Okay, welcome back. Welcome to week 11. Hope everybody doing well and in a good and healthy condition. For the homework of the week 10, some of you may have problems with the shared files. That's why in the shared folder I try to create the drawings of the parts and then the drawings is available on your shared folder. If you have problems on opening the files, you have to draw all the parts. Okay, very simple parts, not too difficult. So today I'm gonna to continue with the assemble, and we'll start from today, and we will continue until the end of this semester with some projects. I will give the drawings of this project. I will share this drawings of this projects with you, and you have to follow up the way, and you have to create the parts and definitely the products. So I'm gonna to work on let's say not I'm gonna to work on front normal 2 line. Use line to create. Unfortunately my Solidworks is not warmed yet, so this one, be careful, should be this line is horizontal, this one is horizontal, dimension here is 208, this angle 106, this one is 106 as well, and this height is given as 1/4. Okay, isometric, extrude 46, now select this plane, normal 2, sketch 3 points arc from here to here, 1 3 points arc here, line and line here. Now these two is concentric, and dimension here, this one is 54, this one is 54 as well, right? These two is equal, and here to here you don't need to put, it is 23, but here to this center is given as, it's on the mid, that's why it is 104. Okay, isometric, feature, extrude. It's 68 minus 14. It is 54. Right? Confirm. Now we can go to some details. Select here, normal 2, sketch, circle, make a circle here. Diameter of this circle is 56. No, sorry, it is 48. Okay. And let's say dimension here to here is 20. And here to here is 104. Isometric, feature, cut extrude, roll. Now come to here, normal 2, select here this plane, normal 2, and rectangle. Try to use center rectangle, it is much better, right? And make this center rectangle. This length is given as 6. This one is 46, and here to here is 104. Isometric, you should cut extrude 16 and confirm. Now let's try something here. Normal 2, sketch, and center rectangle, 2 center rectangles. All is equal. This one is equal with this one, and here is equal with this. This one is equal with this one. All right. Dimension. This one is given as 28. So automatically all of them will be 28. From here, let's say this point is horizontal with this point, and from point to here is 23, and here to here is given as 78. Okay, here to here is 65. Okay, you should create this sketch, and isometric, it's on the bottom of the part, cut extrude by 12. Okay, you have this parts, and you need to work on this plane, normal two circles, one and second, and be careful, this one we should put dimension, this one is 12, and here is equal with this one. Okay, distance between these two is similarly, it is 78, here to here is 65, and definitely this one to this one is 23. Yeah, so we should say this point is horizontal with this point. So we will have these two, and we should cut extrude it up to through all, let's say. Right? We made this. Select this plane, normal 2, make a circle here. Diameter of this circle is 8 millimeters. Right, and this one to here is 23, here to here is 104, isometric, we should cut extrude it by feature, cut extrude, let's say how much, 20 plus 24, 20, 44 plus 8, it is 44 plus 8. We should cut extrude it by 52, and you should confirm it, and you will see what will be happened here, normal 2, and if I have hidden lines, activate the hidden lines, you can see that we have some parts here. Okay. Okay. Now select here normal 2. We need a straight slot here. Create a straight slot. Radius is 6. This distance is 8. Here to here it's 23. Right? And we need another one. But before doing another one, let's say this one to here, this center to this edge is which one is 50, 100. I have to calculate something. Plus 4 plus 8, let's say. Distance is 162. Okay, minus 203. It's 46. So this one is 46. Divided by 2, it is 23. So we have 23 here. Now I'm gonna to use mirror from here, draw a center line, or select all, use sketch mirror entities, and create this one as well. Isometric, cut extrude, and let's say through all. Okay. We had chamfer here, chamfer given as 1 by 45. So you have to select this one. And this one. Make a chamfer here. It's 1.45. And also we had chamfer of 2 cross 45 chamfer, 2 cross 45 here for this one, for this one, for this, and for this. Now if you have a look here, you can see it's quite similar to the paper, to the parts which is given on the paper. Look, we have this hidden lines as well, but still we have some details which should be added. So I'm gonna continue with a radius of fillet with a radius of 8 here and here. So you will see what will be happened. And another detail is on here. Look, rotate your part, select this plane, normal 2, and try to make a corner rectangle. Right? this length is given as 195. Okay, here to here is given as 6.5. This one is 6.5 as well, but you don't need to do it. But this distance unfortunately is not given on the paper, but I'm gonna to, since it is not given, much better to follow up the same way which we did here. That's why I'm gonna to assign 6.5 here. But if you check the paper, you cannot find these two numbers, okay, because it is not given on the paper. We have it just on the section of the parts. So we have a sketch at the bottom of the parts. Now we have to cut extrude this one by 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters, and we have to confirm it. Now when I'm checking this part, for instance, we started to, I think, look, I'm gonna to select, I wanna control my parts by creating a new plane, which is located at front 23 millimeters far away from the front. Okay, so this plane, it's at the mid of the part. Now select this plane and use section. Look, you will see this section is quite look like the parts which is the view, section view, which is given on the paper, and it will prove that your part is correct and you can go to the other parts. So I'm gonna to confirm this part here. Look, we made here. Now I'm gonna to return back this one and hide this plane because we don't need this plane, and we should save this part as not on the share folder, let's say on another place. I have to share it. I have to save it by the name of the view of the dimension of the casting. Okay, let's say casting. Okay, this is the main part of this project. Now I'm gonna continue with the second part, which is available on your paper. Now I will look, definitely we have to open a new part here. All right, we are gonna to continue with top, and I will try to use line to draw this sketch 3 points arc, line, and 3 points arc. Right, this one, okay, I have a problem here. We have to have a close sketch. Okay, fine. Now we have a thickness of 46 here. Right, here to here I have to find some dimensions. It is 54. Right, okay, this one, these two is concentric, these two is concentric. I have some problems. Oops. Right, let's say this one, what happened? because of this tangency. If you have tangency here, remove the tangencies. Now you can look. We should be able to make this one small and light. Let's delete this one. I'm gonna to draw again, but if yours is working, you can continue. Just few seconds. I need few seconds. Look, I need this type of the arcs is not tangents, so we can say that the diameter or of this radius of this arc is 54, and radius of this arc is 54 as well. And also we have to say these two is concentric, right? These two is equal. Okay, so we made this parts. Let's try this. This one is 53, but we have some problems. Okay, let's stop this video here.